Watch this video to review the workbook page Keychain Notes, which is in the Piano Adventures Primer Level Theory book. Before we get started, you must first prepare. Get out your theory book and open it to Keychain Notes, which is probably on page 40. Also, make sure that you have a pencil, pen, or another writing instrument handy. Okay, let's get started. We have just learned how to read bass D and bass C on the clef. Bass D is the middle line. Go ahead and draw one right next to theirs. And remember the poem, hey diddle diddle, D is in the middle. Bass C is on the space right below it. Go ahead and draw one right next to theirs. And remember we have a rhyme for this too. 1, 2, 3, the pearl is in the C. Now let's turn our attention to the keychains in the middle of the page. It's asking us to identify which one of these are on bass C. We're going to do that by counting the spaces. In this first one, it's not on space 3, it's on space 2, so that's not a bass C. Let's look at the second one. This is on space 3. This is a bass C. Give it a circle. How about the next one? I count 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces. That's not right either. I'm now going to ask you to pause the video and do the final 3 on your own. Come back when you're done and I'll show you the answers. Don't forget to hit your pause button. It's your turn to do those last 3 keychains on your own. When you're all done, come back and unpause and the answers will be revealed. Let's see, the first one and the third one are bass Cs. Did you get the same answers that I did? In the next section, we're going to be practicing drawing some notes. Simply follow the instructions to draw whole notes, quarter notes, and half notes, just like I am. If you need more time to finish, go ahead and pause the video and take that time. In the complete the measure section, we first must look at the time signature, which has a 4 on top. What does that mean? It means 4 beats per measure. We must finish these measures with 1 note only in each of them. In this first measure, I count 2 beats, which means I'm missing 2. What note is that? In the next measure, I'm counting 1, 2, 3 beats, which means I have 1 missing. What note is that? In the third measure, I count 1 beat here, which means I'm missing 3. What note is 3 beats long? And finally, in the last measure, I have no beats, which means I'm missing all 4. What note is 4 beats long? You did it. You completed this theory page. I'm giving you a star, a check, and a plus sign. Great work. You have reached the end of this video. Great job, and thank you for watching.